안녕하세요, I'm your friend, Rice Power. Squid Game Season 2. What Korean foods will be used in the game? 무궁화꽃이 피었습니다. Then movie food is related to Korean traditional culture like that. So, Bibimbap, many colors meaning game culture. Many different things and leaving just one. For saving time, marinating first. It's option, but it's protein. Before Korea, the Joseon Dynasty. Before Dynasty, 고구려. From this era, there is this seasoning. Much older than bibimbap recipe. Okay. Okay, good. Then for sauce, 고추장. Here is 맥적구이 비빔밥. Bibimbap is always right. This healthy, pleasant stomach feeling, but delicious. In bibimbap there is Korean thinking style and mind. No, it's too long story. Skip. Okay, just bibimbap is obviously delicious. And it's also a very good choice for your health and life. In cooking life, naturally we study a lot about nutrition. It's perfect. There are people who have never tried it, but there is no one who have tried it just once. In season 1, dalgona. In season 2, drop the beat. There are some dessert games in Korea like dalgona. Also ice cream, separate equally. And one ice cream dessert received a big media attention in 2020 for Korea. Bears really like this so much. There is a reason. It's option. Okay, two kinds. Here is yogurt ice cream dessert. Small happiness is not far away. How can I say? I think people's tastes are gradually shifting from artificial sweetness to something more natural. In Korea, it's really... even now on delivery application, #1 dessert. Really huge success. If you're a dessert person, probably now you wanna eat ice cream, right? If you're watching a late night, sorry. Poison, if used well, becomes the best medicine. What does this have to do with the movie? Nothing. But juk is for sick people or got hurt people. That movie, many people. It's option. It's a kind of medicine. In old record, this combination can give you eternal life. Good for health and also good for men. Here is black sesame dog juice. Wow, for today's weather, it's number one. Energy charging. Usually meat gives some heavy flavor, right? But also grain can give deep and feeling. Very different attractiveness. If I want to make a more delicious flavor of this, hiking. After hiking, eating this one is like a winner of Squid Game. If you can, please recommend some good Netflix dramas or movies before Squid Game something. See you in next video. Have a great day. Your subscription and likes give me power.